A technology-as-a-service solution is a simple, holistic approach to address communications, security, and related technology needs. When customers purchase technology, the large upfront cost is just the beginning of the resource drain. Required expertise, configuration adjustments, upgrades, and more steal time and resources from core business purposes. Technology as a Service delivers an all-inclusive solution with a fixed monthly subscription payment. Design, installation, training, repair, and customer-specific services are all built into one payment. With Technology as a Service, you avoid making a large capital outlay, remove the burdens of ownership, eliminate the risk of obsolescence, and can change your technology at any time without financial penalty. Change how you pay for constantly changing technology. Gain more control and peace of mind to have the right technology right when it's needed with Technology as a Service.